Question number 1. Who was the first Indian to become a world champion in billiards? The correct answer is option D, Pankaj Advani. Question number 2. In which state is the Khajuraho temple complex located? The correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 3. In which city is the Indian Museum located? The correct answer is option B, Kolkata. Question number 4. In which year was Niti Aayog established? The correct answer is option D, 2015. Question number 5. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is associated with which field? The correct answer is option C, sports. Question number 6. Who introduced the Green Revolution in India? The correct answer is option B, M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 7. Who was the first female Indian Air Force flight crew member? The correct answer is option B, Padma Bandyopadhyay. Question number 8. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? The correct answer is option C, Bangalore. Question number 9. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option C, Indira Gandhi. Question number 10. Ramsar sites are related to which of the following? The correct answer is option C, wetlands.